in this question, you have a mixture. Mixture is a concentration of 10 milligram in 1 milliliter. How many grams? Here is milligrams. How many grams are required to make 2 liters? So 2 liters. First of all, I'm going to change the liters to milliliters. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. So if we have 2 liters, how many milliliters? 2000 milliliters. So answer this equation. So 2 liters equal to 2000 milliliters. If you put your 2000 in here, 2000 milliliter. So how many grams with this concentration you have in 2000 milliliter? How many milligrams? Sorry, how many milligrams? Here is milligrams. So at times 1 milliliter by 2000 here, 2000 here. So I will do 2000 times 2000 here. So your answer here is 20,000 milligram. So how can you change the milligram to grams? If you have 1000 milligrams, it's equal to 1 gram. If you have 20,000, how much of grams? So you divided 1000 to get 1 gram. So you will divide the denominator to 1000. So you will get 20 grams. So how many grams? 20 grams. If a medicine is described as this concentration, 1 milligram in 1 milliliter, how many milliliter required for patient that receives 250 microgram? So you want to, first of all, you will change the your answer should be, you're looking for how many milliliter, but you can also change the units of milligram to microgram, or you can change microgram to milligram. So if I want to change the milligram to microgram, I can say that 1000 of 1 milligram equal to 10,000. It's 1000 of microgram. So the concentration is 1000 of microgram in 1 milliliter. So now in 1 milliliter, so you have 250 microgram in here, 250 microgram on the denominator. So how much in denominator? So you have to 1 times 250 and then divided by 1000. You will get 0.2 milliliter, because denominator is in milliliter. Also, you can write this, answer this question when you convert microgram to milligram. So 250 microgram, it's, if you convert it to milligram, you have to divide it by 1000 milligram, and it would be 0.25. So if we have 1 milligram in 1 milliliter, if your solid medication its weight is 0.25 milligram, how many milliliter do you have? The answer is 0.25 milliliter. So if a medicine is described as WW, means that mass, but the unit is gram in kilogram. So in kilogram, how much of the mixture is required in kilogram to provide a dose of 500 milligrams? Imagine that if you have a powder or something is solid, it's 1 kilo. It's 1 kilo mixture. The mixture is 1 kilogram. 10 gram of this 1 kilo, 10 gram of this mixture is active ingredient. Change milligrams 2 grams, so we have to divide it by 1000. So it would be 0.5 gram. Yeah. How many kilograms? How much of 0.5 gram in how much kilograms is with this concentration? So these two divided by 10. So that's the gram. They can just cross each other. And then how many kilograms? We have 0.05 kilogram. So whole mixture is 0.05 kilogram, and the active ingredient is 0.5 grams.